Okay, I have another tutorial here. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your missing media. If you ever open up your project and you get this terrifying looking red screen and all your footage looks like this, that means your footage is no longer where you placed it. So the goal here is find where your footage went and relink it up. So right now, since I know where everything's at, if you hit Control A, select all, right click, link media, it's going to give you the path to every piece of media that you have in your project. And going over here, I click match file properties, make sure that is checked, and then don't worry about any of these other options. And you want to make sure you have relink others automatically. This is going to save you a ton of time, or else you can be doing it by one. So we're going to start with the first one. It's over in pictures, so it's going to go to the last path that it was at, which is right there. I'm going to select OK. So if all your files were in the same path as they were previously, let's say you had a hard drive hooked up and you disconnected the hard drive and then open up the project, you would get this. So the fix for that is just doing what I just did. So right click, going back through it again, link media, locate, select the first file, and as long as you have that first box checked right here that shows relink others automatically, it will find the rest of them for you. Super helpful. So what happens if they've been moved? So if I rename my footage and just call it footage 01 and do the same thing to my audio, so now it no longer remembers that file path. If you go back, it's gonna go, oh, where's it at? It used to be in footage and it used to be in audio, and now those folders don't exist anymore. So first thing we're gonna do, start at the very top one. It's gonna tell you the last string path where it saw it at. So audio, sound effects, so locate, audio. So now I know it's an audio 1. So you go into audio, you follow the string, audio, SFX. If you click display only exact matches, you won't get other files that might make you pick those ones on accident. So make sure display only exact name. That's the file I'm looking for. Click OK. And it's going to go through and find as many as it possibly can that relate to that string. So once it hits audio 001, it'll look for all the rest of them. And so now that has found all the audio portion, now it's going to look for my footage portion. So select locate, and we're going to go. So now the last time it searched, it was searching through audio SFX. So I'm going to go up to the top here, and I'm going to go to footage 001. And if you don't have this checked, this is what you're going to get. And you're going to have to look and try to figure out what was the exact clip name. And you could accidentally click the wrong file. So checking this makes it super easy. You only see the one file, click OK, and it'll link up everything it possibly can that relates to that file path, and now I have everything relinked all back up again, no issues at all. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or any requests for certain tutorials. Thanks for watching.